guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another Christmas DIY using something that I got at the Target dollar spot. If you're wondering, yes, I'm wearing the same shirt because what's that? Oh, I think that's the Magnolia Polar Express I hear. I'm behind. So I've filmed 3 videos today, a planner and 2 DIY, so I am moving. So I didn't even bother to take time to change my shirt. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this really cute idea to put on your bar cart or on your drink station or your hot cocoa bar, anything like that. You're going to need one of these little metal discs that I got from Target's dollar spot. It was $3 and they had them in green, and I think they had 2 other ones in red, but this one just says 25 cents. Candy canes making Christmas sweeter since 1674. And I had this in my haul. Then you just need a base of some kind of scrap wood. This is a 2x4 that we just had around the house. Excuse me. And my husband cut it into a square that was 3.5 by 3.5. And it's 1.5 inches thick, okay? And so all you need to do is just, he used a 1-inch drill bit to drill me a hole in here, because now whatever size dowel you're going to use is what size you need your hole to be. But my dowel just happens to be an old broom handle that we've had here for a long time and just saved it, and I'm going to paint it and use it, my little sign on. So I think it's going to be really cute. All right, and then you'll need a 1/16 inch drill bit, because we have to have a way to attach our sign to our wood, and that's about the size of this little hole up here. You're going to need a tape measure and a hammer and some nails. Hold on, and I'll get mine. And these are just 16 gauge panel nails. And I've had these for quite a while. I used them on another project and they were white, so that's why I wanted those, okay? But you only need 1. And you could always paint your nail if you wanted to. So let me flip this down. This is going to be so easy. You can see where I just finished my other DIY. Okay, let me get my paintbrush and my paint. And you could really, if you wanted to turn this into like a candy cane, you could put painter's tape around it, you know, paint it white, put painter's tape around it, and then paint that under the painter's tape red or whatever you wanted to do. But I'm just going to make mine white. Or no, I think I'm just going to paint mine red. I think red would probably look really cute with that. So I think I'll do it red. So all I'm going to do, this is so simple, is just paint my wood first. And I know you know what I'm doing, so I'll go ahead and for time purposes, get off of here and paint all my wood. Now I did want to tell you that to find your center, it's really easy. All you have to do is just take your tape measure, put it like this, put you a dot for the middle that way, and then just drill. It's really simple. So I'll be back as soon as I get this painted. Okay, here's the base, and I just sprinkled some glitter on it. I think it really adds. Now what I'm gonna do is just go take a hammer and knock this down in here to about 1 inch in there. You don't want to put it all the way through, and then I'll finish painting it and I'll be right back. Okay, before I put this down in and I'm not through finished painting it, I'm gonna go ahead and put this right in here, this little nail. Okay, and I'm just gonna put it there, give it a couple whacks like that. But I don't want to do the other on my countertop. I'm afraid I'll crack it or break it. So I just wanted to show you that, and I'll be back when I get it painted. Okay, here it is. It's still a little tacky, but I went ahead and put glitter all over it because it's for a cocoa bar, a hot cocoa bar. So, I mean, or a drink station, so it's gonna be cold where all that ice is all over it. In my world, it's always cold, okay? So now all you have to do is cut this off, or you could leave it on there if you wanted to hang it that way, but I wanted mine just to hang, and just slip this right over there. And there we have it. I love it. Look how cute this is. And it hangs right there on its cold, frozen little area. I love it. It's gonna be so pretty on my drink station next to all my little sweets. So, and it didn't take any time to do, and like I said, it's very inexpensive. I just used leftover wood and paint that I had, and the sign was $3. But if you'd see this out, you'd pay a lot of money. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.